Hey guys, Liz Pevytoe here. I apologize for my appearance. I just left the gym, but don't have time to shower and get ready and look all cute for you today because this is a very time-sensitive announcement I need to make, okay? For those of you who've been following me a while, you know that I partnered with Ibuumerang back in April. And Ibuumerang, if you haven't been following me, you don't know what that is. Ibuumerang is a travel technology company. What I do is I give away free travel savings websites and I help people save on travel. Okay, that's what I do. I'm not a travel agent. I just give out free sites. Hey guys, thank you for watching. So I have today, actually just about an hour ago, Ibuumerang confirmed this while I was at the gym. And today, if you've watched the Ibuumerang presentation, they have what's called the Founders Opportunity, because our company actually just launched we're actually in pre-launch, but we opened for business March 11th, okay? We've booked over 3 million in bookings so far. So yeah, it's a crazy fast, amazing opportunity. So they have what's called the Founders Opportunity, where when you join at the Founders Opportunity, if I could just say it, geez. Okay, if you join at the first class, you get grandfathered in at 20% in the compensation plan. Okay, what does that mean? It means a lot of money. It means a whole lot of money. So, anyway, the Founders Opportunity goes away tonight at midnight Central Standard Time. So I have 42 people who have told me they want to join and they want to have an Ibuumerang business, and they haven't done it yet. And if I'm sending you this video via private message and that's you, I'm talking to you. Okay, so seriously, today is the day. It's the last day you can get in and be a founder and get grandfathered in at 20% in the binary compensation. If you don't know anything about compensation plans, I can send you that 10-minute video, okay? But today is the last day. I don't want anybody that I've talked to thus far to contact me on August 15th and be like, okay, I'm ready. I want to be a founder. It's going away. Today is the very last day to be a founder. Okay, so I want to give you guys a little bit of perspective because our first class package is $1,000, okay? $1,000 is a lot of money when you just think about, going out to eat or whatever. That would be a lot of meals, right? Depending on where you go eat, okay? But I want you guys to keep this in perspective that this is a business investment, okay? This is not a lottery ticket. This is a business investment. And let me give you a little story. My husband is in the middle. I'm sorry, I'm in my driveway and there's lots of cars going by. My husband is launching a new business, service-based business, Firehouse Garages. If you need garage organization and you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, look him up. Okay. He just launched his business, guys. We are tens of thousands of dollars invested into this business, and we have zero revenue yet. Zero income, okay? He spends over $1,000 a month on business operating expenses, and we don't have any income yet. It is his plan to work for free for his business for 2 years. For 2 years. That's his plan. So at that point, we will have invested probably, if you count his time, $60,000 to $80,000 into a business. So I want you guys to understand that if you are considering investing into this Ibuumerang business, it's a business. And you need to be committed to at least 12 months of working, hustling in this business. Now, I am going to say that I have made back my initial investment with Ibuumerang several times since April. So, I'm not in the hole. It's not costing me money, but a disclaimer there is that I hustle. I hustle way more than most people are willing to hustle. I've talked to over 1,500 people about this. So it's the expectation for me is I'm putting in the time, the energy, the effort. And so, yes, it is rewarding me. So I'm not promising you that you will make back that $1,000 as quickly as I did. But I'm just saying that because I want everybody to be crystal clear that this is a business opportunity. It's not a lottery ticket. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not, whatever. A lot of people think that, what is the pyramid scheme? Oh my gosh, it's so funny. So funny, especially coming from me, a nurse who worked in a hospital, which a hospital is the biggest pyramid scheme there is. So anyway, don't get me started on that. All right, so I love you guys. I just want to make sure everybody knows. So I will be forwarding this video to a lot of people. If you have any questions or you want more information about this opportunity, hit me up in my PM me. And that's all I got to say for you. So y'all have a great day. And if you're considering this business, do it today. That's all I've got to say. Do it.